This is game out here. In the background, you can hear a lot of banging, which is firework. So, today I have 2 packs of fireworks. And the reason it is dark out and you can't see is so that the fireworks are a surprise because you won't be able to see me take out the fireworks. But we have 2, if you can kind of see it, there's a packet right here of 10 and 11, which is 21. So I'm going to...
TNT.
This one, there's one from TNT, and there's some from Phantom, from Stop and Shop. It's new from Stop and Shop, I guess. So I'm going to put the camera down so I can open this box of illegal fireworks. No, I'm just kidding. We don't have illegal fireworks here. If you check under the cabinet, we do. Just kidding. We don't have illegal fireworks. We put these cardboards over there so that they do not catch on fire. All right, we got one. Ready to light it. This is a big one, so we got a big one here. So ready?
That's what she said.
Oh, that's what she said. I don't want to get age restricted, so please stop.
Right there.
It's right there. All right, we got a big one. We got a big one.
Between your feet.
This? Yeah.
I think you want a big one.
It's a big one. It's a big one. So, all right, look at this. Ready? We're going to light the big one. Ready? Oh, my gosh. Look at how big this thing is. Oh my God. That's bigger than I expected. Okay,
that's
well.
what she said. This was bigger than he expected.
I don't.
That's what she said.
Stop. You're going to get me age restricted or something. I bet she never said that to you.
She never said that to me.
You want to do the weasel next?
No, wait. We need to
the
light
camera.
all of these.
So I bet she never said that to you.
Wait, where's the fifth one, I mean? There's...
Right here.
Oh, well, now, Joe, we're going to light all of them.
Joe, listen, if it's big enough, they don't have to say it.
They never say shit to me.
1, 2, okay, now we got, so there was 5 in that pack, and we're gonna have all the wicks facing in there. The John Wick's from
John Wick?
Yeah, from Fortnite.
You've never seen John Wick.
But he's in Fortnite.
That's a movie.
He's in Fortnite. Okay, just light all of them. I told you, that lighter sucks. You need a better lighter. Oh, wait, okay, they fell over, Joe, only one lit. Okay, they fell over. Oh, just hit the fuse button on the flame. Okay, light the second one. That'll probably light the other fuse, I hope. Yeah, it lit it on fire, okay. Everything's, okay, now they're just burning out everywhere. Okay, that's awesome, yeah, sure.
Hey, can someone run in the house and get the other one on the stove? I mean, on top of the fridge.
Yes, you go now. Quick, light it on the red hot coals. That one just doesn't want to stand up. That's why you don't get the tiny ones. Oh, that's what she said. Oh. Gonna need more than a spark to light it.
Thanks.
Light it on the red hot coals. Whoa, okay. And it fell over. What is it with these? It can't take its own power. Whoa, that was...
stood right back
whoa,
up.
it's flipped. It flipped because of its own power.
Can we light some of the big ones?
Yeah, let's get a big one
Want
out
to do
here.
the weasel next?
Yeah, get a weasel.
All right, here we go.
We're gonna light this weasel on fire.
Here comes the weasel.
Where's the
I learned this from
It's right on the top.
I learned this from Logan Paul. No, I'm kidding.
All right, I don't know.
This probably gonna be a big one because it's bigger. Whoa, we got it. Okay. It's probably gonna be big. You should probably move the other fireworks back. Oh, you should move the other fireworks back before they catch on fire. There's 2 over there. That's pretty big. But some of those sparks are going higher than my head because I'm pretty short. Whoa. Calm down, you stupid little weasel.
Back off. Back up.
It might flare up again, so you might want to stand back. Let's get one from there. Get the gold flower.
I tried it, it worked.
Is that the gold flower? You have to pop the top. Yeah, you open that up. You don't take it out, though.
Next.
All right, here we
I
go.
don't think you take it out.
This is the one for lady. This is the golden flower.
The golden
Oh my
shower
gosh.
coming.
This is on YouTube. You might hear that. Oh, this one's not going to be as big.
Shower.
Oh, that box is going to lay on fire. Why would you... That one's pretty big. Those
This
sparks
is
aren't
called
going that
Donald
high.
Trump.
The golden shower. Real nice. This is really pretty. It was actually gold, so lived up to its name.
Crap.
Don't Don't swear, it's YouTube.
Crap is not a swear.
Well, can I say it?
No.
Why? If it's not
You
swear.
want to do one of the cuckoo clocks?
Yeah, I want a cuckoo clock.
Alright.
It's not a cuckoo. Is that how it's pronounced?
No, it's a cuckoo
It's
fountain.
cuckoo. It's cuckoo. It's C.
Oh, here we
You know
go.
what? I'm not even gonna say it because if I'm wrong, you're just gonna
Here
say,
we go.
"Oh, Evan, you're wrong." So I'm not even gonna say it. Light it with the red hot coals. Come on, what are you doing? Big boy.
Watch out, back up.
I'm waiting for it to flare up. Yeah. Oh my god, that scared me. Oh my god. I'm gonna get violated for domestic disturbance. Oh! I don't want to go to jail. I'm
Where's Bob?
like
She's up on the
11 years
stairs, look.
old, so I don't. No, let's do a different one. Yeah, big boy. Oh, this one look cool. Yeah, we'll save this bad boy for the end.
Hey, baby.
These three are for the end. All right, do the red hot one.
This one?
Red hot.
Which one's red hat?
The red hot. The red hot right
Oh,
there.
okay.
It must be too dark. You can't even read. I probably woke my neighbors up.
Don't you think you should open them all up first?
No. That take too much time. I don't feel like doing that.
While we're watching this one, start opening the next one, would you?
No, it's that I can't see it if you're doing. Okay, look. Oh, that one's going to be red, I'm guessing.
Back up. 'Cause you don't
You know, the wick is even big. They don't have to scare me like the other one did. It was like, I was like, oh, Lexi. Hey, Lexi. Hey, good girl. What's the next one?
If you're an ant,
All right. Lexi.
Lexi.
yo,
He just stands over
get over here. I just want to go on the record saying if you're an ant, this is a hell of a show.
Oh my gosh, if you're on ant, this thing's like,
Here, want to do one more of these? No, we'll save that for now.
yeah, those are awesome. Those scared me. I didn't expect the cuckoo to go like,
You know what this one's called?
oh, the neighbors are still up, so I didn't wake
this one's the
anybody up.
cuckoo. This is the cuckoo phone. So you
No,
wanna
I
do this
wanted this one though.
Okay, all
I
right.
just opened this one.
Which one's?
Sunshine. I completely tore open the
This one
box.
is the sunshine.
Yeah.
Here we go. Here you go, Joski.
All right,
Oh,
this one's the sunshine. This is what happens after the golden shower.
Yeah. The wick is still like a show. It's a tiny one, but it's still a show. Whoa. The sparks came far. Almost flew and lit me on fire, and then it would be like why you shouldn't play with fire works when you're 11 years old. That one was short, like me, because I'm short.
Be careful.
Man, if you just flared up huge and actually shot a rocket into the sky,
How about
blew
this
up.
one? The spark plug.
Ooh, spark plug.
All right, here you go, Joe.
Light up my spark plug. I farted, so be careful.
Watch out.
It might
There you
blow up because I farted. Oh, whoa, wow. You see that firework? Amazing. Oh, wait, never mind. That one's cool. I like that one. It's not like any, like, that scared me. Whoa. Whoa, okay, that scared me. I was wrong. I talked too early. If anybody had a light, you could see like the mini ones that fell over. They left streaks all over. Look at all this smoke. You can barely see
You
it.
want
But
to do the cuckoo fountain now?
one more.
No, this is the cuckoo fountain. You still
Oh, a cuckoo fountain.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Here we go.
Let's get it on. Oh, cuckoo. Definition of you pop up. Whoa, that flared off that wick. Whoa. It better not. You know what? I'm preparing my ears for some like.
You guys lay down on the ground.
Oh, isn't that gonna do me the E? Okay, I back up. Remember how when you said if you're an ant, this is a heck of a show? Well, I'm pretty sure if you're an ant and you're too close, you're dead, and your ears will be bleeding. I don't. Can they hear? Can they even hear? I don't know.
You want to do this one next?
You ant?
the jade?
No,
I don't think you
that's
really
too
can.
big. It's too big.
All right.
You can't do the big ones first.